If you want to use ChatGPT directly inside Obsidian, don't worry. Integrating AI into your Obsidian workflow is easier than ever and can significantly improve the way you take notes, brainstorm ideas, summarize information, generate content, organize research, and manage knowledge. Instead of constantly switching between applications, you can interact with AI directly from your Obsidian workspace and keep everything connected to your vault. The good news is that getting ChatGPT in Obsidian only takes a few minutes to set up. In this video, I'll show you how to get ChatGPT in Obsidian in 2026 step by step, even if you are completely new to Obsidian. First, open Obsidian and load the vault where you want to use ChatGPT. Before installing any AI tools, make sure your version of Obsidian is updated to the latest release. Using the newest version helps ensure compatibility with community plugins and reduces the chances of installation issues. Next, open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner of the application. Inside Settings, locate the Community Plugins section. If community plugins are not already enabled, you may need to allow third-party plugins before continuing. Once community plugins are enabled, click Browse to open the plugin directory. In the search bar, look for AI-related plugins that support ChatGPT integration. Several plugins may be available depending on current community development and feature updates. After finding a plugin that supports ChatGPT functionality, click Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the plugin is installed, click Enable to activate it within your vault. Most ChatGPT-compatible plugins require an API key before they can communicate with AI services. To obtain an API key, sign in to your AI provider account and navigate to the Developer or API section. Generate a new API key and copy it securely. Return to Obsidian and open the Settings page for the plugin you installed. Locate the field for the API key and paste the key into the appropriate box. Save your settings when finished. Once the plugin is configured, you can begin using ChatGPT directly within Obsidian. Depending on the plugin, you may have access to commands, side panels, chat windows, note generation tools, content summaries, question and answer features, and other AI-powered functions. Try creating a new note and asking the AI to summarize information, generate outlines, improve writing, explain concepts, or brainstorm ideas. The exact features available will depend on the plugin you selected and its supported capabilities. Another useful feature offered by some AI plugins is Note-Aware Assistance. This allows the AI to work with information already stored in your vault, helping you connect ideas, locate related notes, and organize knowledge more efficiently. If responses are not appearing correctly, double-check that the API key was entered accurately and that your internet connection is active. Many connection issues can be resolved by reviewing the plugin settings and ensuring authentication has been completed properly. You should also keep both Obsidian and your installed plugins updated regularly. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, compatibility enhancements, and access to new AI features. Another helpful tip is reviewing the plugin documentation. Most plugin developers provide setup instructions, supported commands, troubleshooting guides, and examples that can help you get the most out of the integration. After everything is working, spend some time experimenting with different prompts and workflows. Many users discover that AI can assist with note organization, content drafting, research preparation, meeting summaries, task planning, and many other productivity activities. So that's how to get ChatGPT in Obsidian in 2026. The main steps are enabling community plugins, installing a ChatGPT-compatible plugin, obtaining an API key, configuring the plugin settings, and starting to use AI-powered features directly within your vault. Most users can complete the setup within just a few minutes and immediately begin enhancing their Obsidian workflow with AI assistance. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.